वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम है सिद्दीक़ा फातिमा। मैं 8वीं जमात की तालिबात हूँ। मुरक्कब तौसीफ़ी की तारीफ़। मुरक्कब तौसीफ़ी सिफ़त और मौसूफ़ से मिलकर बनते हैं, उसे मुरक्कब तौसीफ़ी कहा जाता है। जुमले: खुशबूदार फूल, फूल मौसूफ़, खुशबूदार सिफ़त। क़दीम इमारत, इमारत मौसूफ़, सिफ़त क़दीम। ऊंची दीवार, दीवार मौसूफ़, क़दीम ऊंची दीवार, दीवार मौसूफ़, ऊंची सिफ़त। बूढ़ा आदमी, आदमी मौसूफ़, बूढ़ा सिफ़त। अच्छी किताब, किताब मौसूफ़, अच्छी सिफ़त। शरीफ इंसान, इंसान मौसूफ़, शरीफ सिफ़त। Eighth standard. Explain about PDS public distribution system. The new policy of the PDS has been declared. The system of the ration shop distributing food, grains and essential items is known as public distribution. This is a clear abolition of the fundamental rights, the rights of life, institution in Article 21 of Indian Constitution. Ask information about schools to your headmaster. Strength of the school staff, particular syllabus and teaching issues, etc. We are studying 8th standard and our topic is stretching pretext. My tiny Bhopal has a phone. She really never is alone. It beeps and jitters day and night, emitting tiny bluish light. Her ringtone is the latest rage as other pretty tags and fish. Thank you. My name is Abhi Sudhara from 8th standard. Today our topic is cooked food spoils store but not uncooked food one. Cooked food has more moisture content and higher temperature. It also decreases the protective surface of food. Cooking food can be easily inhabited by microorganisms. They can be spoiled in less time than the uncooked food. Hello everyone, myself I am Sameshwar. Today we will learn about metal properties, physical properties. Sonority, malleability, ductility, sonority, materials which produce ringing sound are across unit. Example: ringing bell,
The materials which can be padded into utensils are called malleable materials. Example: silver pot.
ductility, the property of drawing a material to take and fine whites is called ductility. Examples: copper whites, zinc whites. Hello everyone, myself Rufus Begum. I am studying 8th grade. Today I am explaining about question and answer. इस सफरनामे में किन ममालिक का जिक्र किया गया है? इस सफरनामे में थाईलैंड और मिस्र का जिक्र किया गया है। सवाल: मुसन्निफ ने इफ़्को की माबूद की सैर कैसे की? जवाब: मुसन्निफ ने इफ़्को की माबूद की सैर घोड़ागाड़ी में की। और मिस्र के खास लिबास जलाबिया के बारे में लिखिए। जलाबिया टैक्सी की तरह होती है, कश्मीरी लड़कियां इसे पहनती हैं। Good morning everyone, myself Rufus Begum. I am studying 8th grade. Today I am explaining about question and answer. What is meant by biodegradable? It is a material which is decomposed by the nature. It is called biodegradable. How is nylon made? Answer: nylon is a polymer made of chemical is called polymer. Explain recycling. The method of obtaining which material from which organic products which made. Rufus Begum. I am studying 8th grade. Today I am explaining about
In which year is the difference in infant mortality rates between male and female
the different infant mortality rate between male and females are highest in 2003.
Which case and in which year do we find a sudden decrease in the IMR?
Answer: in the 2003, in the suddenly decrease in the IMR is male.
What will happen if there is a wide gap in IMR between male and female?
Naturally, IMR can be more or less than the others. If the difference is too much, the naturally balance will be affected. I'm from A side. Today our max if the compound ratio of 5 is to 8 and 3 is to 7 is 45 is to x. Find x. Given as we written, and can be written as double is to is can be written as is equal to. And we are multiplying antecedents and consequence. 5 into 3 15, 8 into 7 56. Here is to can be written as in by form. Do cross multiplication. 15 into x 15x, 56 into 45. X is equal to here into 15 can be sent by other side become divided by 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45. X is equal to 56 into 3. X is equal to 168. Myself, Afroz Begum. I am studying at 3. Today I am explaining about the case study of Taj Mahal. Thus, Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It is located in around Agra forever. It is made up of white marbles of concurrent of archaeologists and environmental motor vehicles and the industry located at Agra for rubber processing, chemicals, and iron foundries. Mathura refinery have been responsible for producing pollutants like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, smoke, dust, etc.
Switch over to cleaner fuels like CNG and LPG. Use enable petrol in maintenance of the Taj Mahal. Save polluted in industry to the outside Agra city.
ఉన్నత పాఠశాల జరిగితే 8 పద్యం భావం తనవారు లేని చోట మాట చెల్లుబడి కని చోట తగవులాడుగురు అనుమానం ఉన్న చోట మనిషి ఉండకూడదు. ఎవరు చెప్పినా వినాలి, విని వెంటనే నిందనపడకుండా బాగా పరిశీలనలు చేయాలి. అలా పరిశీలించి అది నిజమే అబద్ధమే తెలుసుకున్న మనిషి నీతిపరుడు. తల్లిదండ్రుల మీద ప్రేమ లేని కొడుకు పుట్టైనా ఒకటే, చిచ్చినా ఒకటే, పుట్టలు పలు చెదలు పుడుతుంది చూస్తుంది. ఎట్లాగే తల్లిదండ్రుల మీద ప్రేమ లేని కొడుకు పుట్టలోని చెదలుతో సమానం.